Hi, welcome to the channel. I got today 2016 Vauxhall Zafira. Basically, customer told his screen washer not work. Same thing happened 3 months ago. Then after that, he changed the fuse. It's okay. Then after that, it's again happened. However, this time he changed the fuse. It's not work at all. Then he suspect it's a motor, but I'm not sure at the moment. Is it motor or electrical or is it fuse? So I'm not sure, but that is his suspect. First of all, I'm going to start the car. Right, I'm going to hold the wiper. I'm going to hold the stick. Now I can see wipers work, but no screen washer. We'll see what happened to the back one. Yeah, same thing. Wipers work, no screen washer. Basically, both side no screen wash. Right, if it one side work, other side not working, basically if it front work, back side not working, then I'm suspect it could be the motor. But at the moment I'm not suspect it's a motor. Could be it's a motor, but still early. First of all, however, he said he checked the fuse. Yes or no, I'm going to make sure fuse okay for the motor first of all, because both side not work at the moment. I'm going to check engine bay fuse. If you have a like this probe, it's very useful for the this job. Negative to negative, positive to positive. Make sure work. Yeah. Okay. This is the fuse box in the engine bay. Right. Okay. Right. No fuse numbers here, but we don't know which fuse for the screen washer. Okay, we'll see if I can find out manual. It will helpful for us. If it not, yeah, I think no, he don't have a manual here. Right, okay, nothing to do. Right, okay, check one by one then. Something not right. This fuse, I need to take out that fuse and have a look. Yeah, I'm going to check. Yeah, it's work. Yeah, it's work. Yeah, customer right, all fuses working at the moment. Right, okay, next step, I'm not going to waste too much time. I'm going to screen washer bottle here, definitely underneath motor. I'm going to jack up this side and open the wheel arch and read to the screen washer pump, and I'll show you what's going on here. Right, we remove this cover, get much space. Now we have a fully access to the screen washer pump. Right, what I'm going to do, we need to remove this connector, but it's a bit hard because the connector behind here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to bring it forward and lift up from here, and same time I'm going to use this glow plugs, just cover the screen washer nozzle. Lift up from here. Right, you can see it's coming out. What I'm going to do, right, okay, now it's still coming. I'm going to use the gloves, wrap the gloves here and cover the hole. Right, should be, it's okay now. Yeah, right, okay, that's problem done. Then I had to remove this connector from here. Right, okay, then after that I'm going to check two way I can do the power for here. First of all, I'm going to use my probe and check positive and negative there. Look like this is the two wires. See, two wires. First, yeah, negative here. Right, we'll see the positive still negative both side. Look like to me something not right with the electrical. That's why the both negative. Anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start the car and hold the screen washer. Nothing happened. See, something not right somewhere because the power not coming now. Okay, another way I can do, you do the screen washer now. See, yeah, when you do the screen washer, it's work, right? Basically, this side red. Do the screen washer again. No, now screen washer. Yeah, it's came and it's gone. Right. Okay. Next step, what I'm going to do, I have a similar connector, another motor. Right. You can heard the thingy. Release. Operate. Yeah. You can see it's work now. Okay. Right. Fine. Yeah. Basically, I'm going to say this motor won. Basically, we need to change the motor. Okay. Right. Now I'm going to show you how we going to change the motor. Right, what we can do, you can see this white color bit, this one just take out. You can see here, just you can this one turn. See, you can turn this one right like this. See, you can turn. When you turn, you can take out the thingy. Right, you have to turn this bits from this hole out. When you turn, it's still out. Then after that you can remove, and we'll see that this one, it will sit on nicely. Yeah, it sit on nice and turn back this black color thing. Right, see, no. Right, okay, it's locked now. Same thing you have to do other side. The white bit, just twist one side, lift up little bit and turn. Right, see, it's locked again, lift up and tiny turn. Right, okay, then again this one, if you want, you can turn this one first, just turn. Right, then after that you can press in, it will lock. Right, you heard click, it's lock. Now I'm going to remove this. It's not going to the hole. Right, yeah, it sit on nicely. Right, okay, I'm not losing much coolant. Now I'm going to operate the thing. Have a look. Right, start the car. Right, have a look now. Oh wow, yeah, it's working. Right, now have a look the back side. Work as should be. Next step, I'm going to install everything. If you have a like this problem, you know what to do. First of all, check the fuse. After that, check the motor. You will be fine. See you in the next video.